Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to share a recipe of making an hair oil which will start giving you amazing results within a week. And this hair oil will boost your hair growth, reverse premature graying, nourish your hair follicles and prevent from hair fall. And this has no chemicals and no preservatives. So let's start making this magical hair oil. For this I am taking an iron kadhai. So this is very effective because it will release the iron and which is very much needed for our hair growth. Now to this I am going to take 1 cup of mustard oil. If you think that mustard oil is heavier, then you can take coconut oil as well. Now I'm going to add a spoon of methi powder. This looks like this, and I'm sure we all have it in our kitchen in spice section. So this methi powder will help in treating the dandruff and it deep conditions our hair. So I'm putting it with the mustard oil. Methi powder has a lot of hair benefits. Now I'm going to add 1 spoon of amla powder. This is easily available nowadays. I have got my amla powder from Indian store. So this is just 1 spoon of amla powder. Now I'm going to mix this. As we all know that amla promotes hair growth. It also reverses the hair graying of hair. So the third and magical ingredient is curry leaf. Yes, we all have it in our fridge and we all use it for making yummy dishes. So now we are going to use this for making magical hair oil. Curry leaves also controls hair loss. It has also a lot of benefits for our hair, and it's good for our hair growth, and it strengthens our hair. Now we have to mix all the ingredients and we have to put it on flame on low, and we have to cook this for about 5 minutes, not more than that, otherwise it might burn. So just put the flame on very low like sim, and then we have to cook it for about 5 minutes. So you can see it is getting thick because of the powders which we have added, and these magical ingredients will really help your hair growth. So unlike other fancy products which we use and then we just harm our hair, this is the better option that we can make our DIY hair oil and use it just like twice a week, and you will see amazing results in within a week. So I'm using it for my daughter also. So it is absolutely safe. So you can use it on your kids' hair also. So we have experienced a lot of improvement in our hair texture. So we have to keep it in overnight in an iron kadhai so that all the goodness of the iron will also be there. So just keep it overnight, and now you can see our hair oil has become thick and the color also changed. So before it was looking like little bit like darker green, now it is looking black because we have kept it in an iron kadhai overnight. So just give it a nice mix, and we have to strain or sieve the hair oil into a clean jar. So this is ready for use, and then we will move on to the next step. Now we'll take a small jar, like clean and dry. It should be clean and dry. Now we have to sieve our magical hair oil into this. So I'm putting a few tissue paper so that it will not go here and there. So we have to sieve our hair oil mixture. So you can take any strainer and do that. Now once the hair oil is strained well, we have to add some more ingredients to make it more effective for our hair growth. So this looks like this, and whenever you want to use it, you just have to shake it or you just use a spoon. Now I'm going to add some vitamin E oil. So you can easily get it in a capsule also, so that you can also use. And now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. So we all know olive oil is very healthy for our hair also. Just give it a nice mix because it is little bit thick. So whenever you are using hair oil, just stir it or just use it a spoon. And this you can use it before doing your or washing your hair. So just massage it well and just wash your hair with the normal shampoo. And then you will experience the improvement in your hair texture. The dandruff will be less and your hair growth will be incredibly great. So I'm sure you like this video. Do share it with your friends and family so that they can get benefited. And thanks for watching my video. I'll see you in the next recipe. Till then, bye. Take care.